today we're going to learn how to ride a hoverboard. Okay?
Yeah. We just made the skate one a few minutes ago.
I don't think it's done uploading it. It might be done, I don't know. But
yeah, because after this video, we're going to check on our uploads.
so, first thing you want to know is you have to have balance. If you don't have balance and you're under 7, do not get on. Please don't.
Like, she's over me, but I'm her TT. But, so she's like 10 years old. I'm 9, but I'm still like 7. Caden's too little, but guess what? He's 3 years old, and he knows how to ride the hoverboard.
He has his balance.
Yeah, he has his balance. But if you don't have balance on a hoverboard, then don't get on it.
And you're not used to riding one, don't.
But if you want to practice, and probably
watch this video. So first, now you want to like go forward a little bit, but not all the way, just like a tiny bit. So
like lean a little bit.
Like lean to the side you want to go,
and then turn a little bit.
Chuck it.
This hoverboard faster than you, really. And roll over your feet.
See, like that. But don't. If you're a beginner, then go like this. Go like this. If you're a beginner. Follow me. Don't go like me. Like this. Like this. Don't go like this. Don't. Now we're going to learn how to twerk. Just same way you have to twerk. Just keep going.
And you might, and if you want to twerk fast, you spread your arms out like her, just like she's doing. And you go faster. Boy.
No, don't turn me. You will not turn me.
Look at him. And then next we're going to do how to ride a scooter. Just like Caden doing. So we're going to take a video of Caden. Because since he knows how to ride a scooter.
You want to teach him how to ride a scooter after this? No.
Yeah, he know how to ride that scooter. We're going to probably make another video of the scooter.
Best friends.
But you don't. Boy. You don't know that song yet.
So yeah, that's basically all I know about how to And if you want to backwards like this.
Just lean back a little bit.
No, don't lean your body. Remember, don't lean your body.
Lean like your head.
Watch this video before you actually try to do it. No, lean your feet where you want to go.
I mean, that's what I usually do. I'll be like this.
Backwards.
Not like this or you don't fall off. It's going to go too fast.
So this is basic. I'm going to do whatever you guys want to do in this video. So that's twirl. No. Okay, so go down there.
Okay.
So, you ready?
Yeah.
Chop Hayden.
Caden, watch out.
Is run and swirl. No, I want to get in now. They don't touch me. The original twirl. Now, forwards, backwards, side, other side. Boom, 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 boom.
Yay, we in together. I don't want to be in.
I just blocked them for a little bit.
Stop me.
No.
Yes, you took me the thing.
This is Gracie. Gracie, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Oh gosh.
If it does it off, because then if it falls, then if it does that, it might not be dead, but you might go a little fast.
But it tells you when you girl your butt.
Oh.
That hurt.
So if it ever does this, watch. Hold up. Hold up.
Let me show you. I'm getting away. But if it like put red, like right there on that dot, right there.
If it goes red, get off, because then it's gonna stop and it's gonna make you go forward and face down. So it gives you warnings. It might be because it's going dead or you're going too fast. So it gives you warnings. So yeah. that's all we have. Like
Today.
we're gonna get 40. Let's get 40 or 50 likes for part 2.
No. 50 likes.
Yeah, 50 likes. Let's get 50 likes for part 2. Yeah. So peace. Bye.